very glad. As I mentioned to you, we watched the news and we were surprised that we were still able to find time to visit Venezuela. It's a great pleasure and an honor. Thank you very much for
Well, thank you for welcoming me. First of all, I want to congratulate you on a great job at hosting this conference, which in addition to being so critically important to the region, provides us the opportunity to interact with so many countries. It's also important to be here, I think, just 3 weeks into our new ambassador here, so I know you're going to do a great job. And Mr. President, thank you for welcoming us. And obviously, in addition to visiting here for the conference, we wanted to visit with you. You know how much the President holds you in high esteem. We had a very positive meeting last year in Washington. And then this is a country that has deep ties to the United States for many, many years. And it's a partnership that's only growing. And in light of